Babe. Baby. I was thinking since the Christmas is by the corner, you know, we could do small thing in regards to our wedding. Or maybe the court marriage and then a small wedding with our families.
You are mad. You are very, very stupid. You must be insane. God, whack, idiot. You're thinking you're down on thing. Look at your dirty mouth. Eh? It's because you don't bring 1 naira in this house, that's why. I'm telling you that my company is in a bad place. You're talking about wedding. Since I told you about my company, have you brought up an idea or a suggestion, a strategy that will help me, get back to where I used to be?
Ben, you won't even talk to me.
Why will I talk to this empty brain of yours? What do you have to offer? Eh? Why will I talk to you? I'm here telling you that my company is in a very bad position here. You're there talking about wedding. What? Idiot. Everyone get out of this place. Nonsense. You don't do anything for me. Just useless. All you bring is problem. You can't even bring one solution. Very useless idiot, fool, rubbish. Just wasting my time. I don't even know what I'm doing with you in this house. I don't know. Honestly.
Do you want?
I'll use this thing to scatter your head now. Talk about wedding. Yeah, who they do wedding? I even do say. Yo, if you come back home. Guy, how far now? How far? Clinton, what are you lacking? Like, what are you lacking? You have everything. Fine boy, tall. See you now. Guy, why they do me like this now? I remember back in school days, all these ladies, they'll just go crazy at the sound of your name. What's happening?
Bro.
You? Chicas of all babes.
Ben.
Guy, it's not about Ben. I need you to run this thing for me. What's happening now? Why are you delaying?
Ben, calm down.
No, it's not about calming down.
Relax now.
I need this girl out of my life, man. I need to announce to the whole world that we are no longer together. I need to break free. Come on, bro, do this for me now. Ben. I believe you.
Ben,
not be you again.
Calm down now. Bro, relax. See, I have to do it in such a way that she will not suspect anything. So I'm just taking my time, all right? I will get the job done, I promise you. Just calm down.
Bro, I get you. Well, come on, man, please. Push faster. I need you to move faster. Increase your pace. Just a little. You get what I'm saying? Just increase your pace. Trust me, she won't suspect anything. That girl, she's dumb. Very dumb. I'm telling you, bro. So tell me, how do you like this ring?
It's beautiful. Just like the first one that I agree with. Thank you.
I love you so much, Amanda.
You're my baby for life.
Come here.
Babe! Oh, I love this.
Yeah.
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 Okay. Baby, I've missed you so much. What took you so long? I've been waiting for you.
Oh, baby. I had a meeting to attend to. A very boring meeting.
I know. You work so hard. And that is why you didn't come along with me on my vacation trip.
Oh, it's true. I'm so sorry about that too, baby.
It's okay.
So tell me, how did the vacation go?
It was so lovely. I had so much fun, baby.
I can tell.
You missed out.
I can tell. Because look at you. You look so beautiful.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Actually, you look ravishing.
Oh my God.
Come here.
Hi, babe. Just chill. I want to gist you, okay? I want to gist you how my...
me?
Yes.
Baby, no. I've missed you so
No,
much.
you have to gist, baby. It's really important.
I've missed you so much. I don't want to hear. All I want is you.
Lily. I'm so happy you stopped by.
Babes. Oh, thank you. Thank you very much.
How fun now?
Fine. I've missed you so much, babes. You know, this whole business thing, it's been overwhelming. The orders have just been pouring in. You know, we're at our peak.
Aww.
It's exhausting, but I like it.
I see you. You're really doing well for yourself. I'm so proud of you.
Yeah, and I thank God.
All like cause you're still trying to make our business work.
Come on, don't say that.
Well,
Say that.
I'm grateful. I mean, Ben's business peaked and he's doing very, very well.
I can't say that. His business really peaked.
Yeah.
Ben is now a multi-millionaire.
Oh, I can say that again.
Who would have ever thought? I remember back then in the university.
Oh,
when Ben almost dropped out. And then you paid his school fees with your own money from your pocket. Who does that? But you did. And then I remember how you starved that semester. You couldn't get food to eat.
Just stop.
Oh my God, I'm so excited for the both of you. This is really wonderful.
Things we do for love.
Oh.
I couldn't sit by and watch my man drop out.
Oh.
You know, thank God the whole sacrifice is finally paying off.
Yeah.
Because, girl, look around.
Like,
my man is doing well.
he is. Then really... Sorry, excuse me. Sorry, babes. It's just one of my customers. Sorry.
See you.
It's alright.
I just pray my business works. I pray it peaks because it's really frustrating.
Baby girl, the secret is never to give up.
Right?
Just don't give up. I believe in you. And I believe your business will peak in no time. So just hang in there.
Thank you so much. Thank you for believing in me. Because, you know, you've given me enough hope. And I believe in myself too. So now I'll be splitting my intentions into two.
Okay.
One for not giving up. And the other for raising a family.
Back to that. What are the both of you doing?
You mean Ben and I?
Uh-huh.
Oh, we're planning our wedding.
Okay.
Babe, just don't do that, please. Don't.
I didn't do it.
You know,
Sorry.
Ben just hit a jackpot and he doesn't want us to get married until, you know, he has worked hard enough to according to him, he wants to give our children the best things of life. You know, things he wasn't opportune to have.
Baby girl, I have always told you, you guys can get married at any time and then you delay on having kids. What I don't understand is, you've been wearing this particular ring for a decade now. A full decade. The ring, you outgrew it to the extent you started hanging it. I'm sure you're still... Amanda, is that a new ring? Wait.
Ben changed it.
Hi! Hi!
Babe, you're exaggerating this whole thing. Listen, Ben loves me.
Hey.
And I love him too. I trust this man with my whole life.
Okay, I'm not disputing that. But how can he change your ring without a wedding and then you accepted it, Amanda? Come on, baby girl.
We have plans. Lily, please, can you not just do this?
I'm just trying to say, wait, look, you know I don't mean to be harsh. And you know I'm saying this from a place of love and as a friend. But this is getting...
Lily,
Wait, I'm just trying to say that this whole...
Don't do that. No, don't do that. You promised not to talk about my relationship like this. So please, just stop.
Sorry.
Thank you. Lily, just stop, please. I didn't get this for you to stare at it. Oh yeah, drink up.
Baby girl,
Yes, baby.
you own my heart, baby.
Baby.
I love you so much.
I know. And that's the reason why I'm still in this relationship till now.
What are you talking about?
Have you told her?
Raquel.
Of course, you know what I'm talking about.
Baby, relax, okay? This thing takes time. You know, she has been there for me for...
10 years. Yes, 10 years. It's beginning to sound like a music in my ears. Come on.
Look at me. Look at me. I love you. You're the one I love and I want to marry, okay? It's just, I can't just break up with her just like that because our both families are aware of our engagements and wedding plans, So I have to take my time. It's a gradual process. But just know, baby, look at me. Just know that it is you that I'm gonna marry. Okay? How can I have you? How can I have my beautiful queen and be looking for another woman? We're in this together, okay?
I love you so much. Right?
I love you more.
You're late.
I went for land inspection. I got stuck in traffic.
Hope you had a good day. Can I serve you food now?
I'm not hungry. You know I don't like eating late.
Girl, you came right on time.
Yeah?
Boredom almost finished me.
Sorry, eh?
It's okay.
Today I closed early. I would have come earlier, but I figured you'd be at the store, so...
My dear, I was though. But as usual, I was doing nothing. Zero clients, Babes, I'm really thinking of closing down that business.
No,
Because
No, come on.
instead of wasting money on rent, I think I should just close it down.
Babes, no. Don't do that. Why don't you just maybe change your line of business. Instead of quitting the whole thing entirely.
I think you have a point. I'll definitely do something after the wedding.
Yeah, that's better.
Yeah, I think I should.
After what?
The wedding. After the wedding, I think I should, open up something else. I'm not understanding anything at all. I mean, people do business to make profit. I don't even sell on credits.
Amanda, do you remember Karen?
Karen.
Karen now, while we're still in school.
Oh, our set SCG president. Yeah, I remember
exactly.
her.
That's Karen.
Wow, it's been a long time.
Yes.
I lost contact with most of them. Did you bump into her?
Not exactly.
Oh, okay. So,
Amanda, her fiancé stood her up on her wedding day. After 5 years of dating, Amanda.
oh my God, that's Jesus.
Jesus indeed, though.
That's so bad. Why would any man do that? No now.
Amanda.
Some men are terrible. 5 years.
5 good years. And he chose her wedding day to humiliate her like that.
Can you imagine?
Amanda, I just had to call her.
Oh, thank God you did.
Yes.
I lost contact now. I don't even have anybody's contact again.
Immediately I called her to console her. Amanda, she wasn't sounding okay at all. She sounded horrible.
Oh, my.
Hi.
Oh. I'm so sorry. The guy I sent on an errand. Are you serious?
I've missed you so much. I had to dash out of the office just to come see you, my love. Thoughts of you kept me motivated at the office. Baby.
Then why not make this permanent? Make this permanent already. So whenever you come back, you get to see my pretty face.
Honestly, baby, I don't know what to do about that woman in my house. I'm just tired,
I don't understand, Ben. So this is how you want us to keep going round and round the cycle forever?
No. Baby, come on. Huh? Baby, I love you. I love you so much. I've told you I will marry you. I want us to be together now and forever. It's just that.
Just that what? No, just that what? She dated you for 10 years? Huh? Guess what? You also dated her for 10 good years. So what is the difference? You actually wasted your time too. What else? You introduced her to your family, right? So that is the same way you're going to end the relationship. It's as easy as that.
Baby. Look at me. Listen. Look at me. It's not as easy as you think. Trust me, things are more complicated. You know what people say? I don't want people to start saying that, she dated me and she was there for me all these years. Or what did I do? I broke her heart and I abandoned her. People will say I wasted a whole decade of her life. Apart from that, I'm also trying to protect you here. I don't want people to see you as a bad person. I don't want them to say you're a man snatcher and all of that kind of. It could get dirty. I'm trying to make things, I don't want. It's more complicated than you think, my love. But trust me, my love, we'll make things work. I will see what I can do about it. But we just have to be patient. Okay?
Baby, I love you so much, right?
Baby, I love you more.
I honestly can't wait for us to be together.
Same here. We'll be fine, okay? Now can you give me some sugar?
Don't even start. Don't start.
Her number is not reachable. Are you sure this girl is okay?
Amanda, this whole thing is crazy.
Girl.
Hi. But men safe. Men will take you to the desert and leave you dry.
Not today.
I mean,
My
why
dear.
leave a woman in the most embarrassing way possible? Like, this is not nice.
Like how?
Huh.
5 years.
5 whole years.
No, some men are evil. I swear.
Uh,
Some men are so wicked. Jesus. 5 4. Oh, excuse me. Mommy, good afternoon. Oh my God. Mommy, I totally forgot. I'm so sorry. Let me call Ben now. All right, Mommy. Oh my God, I forgot.
is everything okay?
Yeah, I need to call my babe.
Huh?
I need to remind him to send the money he promised his mother-in-law. Oh.
Hello, Amanda. How are you? I'm fine. No, I'm still at the office. I had to take care of some stuff. Yeah. Oh my goodness. I totally forgot. I'm sorry. I forgot. I promised that I was going to send your mom some money. I totally forgot. It just skipped my mind. Please, send my apologies to her, okay? I will send it right away. It just skipped my mind. I'm sorry. Okay, bye-bye. Yeah.
Wait, Ben.
Yeah.
So this is how you plan to end the relationship with that lady? Huh? I don't get it.
Baby, why do you keep sounding like this? Baby, what do you want me to do? What do you want me to say to show you that I'm crazily in love with you? Huh?
Well, I am a woman. I am clearly sure that Amanda is not ready to leave this relationship anytime soon, not until her last breath. You sounded so caring on the phone. You sought all her bills and that of her parents. So why would she leave the relationship? Why? She will believe you still love her now. Eh?
Baby, relax. I do that because I know I'm not going to marry her. Okay? You know, it's a form of compensation to her and her family.
Compensation?
Yes.
You're not sending her any money.
What are you talking about?
You heard me. You won't send her any money and that is on period.
Baby, come on. Don't be like this. She's going to be mad. Her family will be angry. They will be surprised even.
Well, I don't care.
Her mom begged me for this money months ago and I promised that I was going to send it to her. It's going to look somehow.
Ben, I don't care. They should get mad at you. They should get pissed off. I don't care. At least that will make her see reasons to hate on you. And she'll have no other choice than to live your life. For good.
Okay, I've heard you. Can I just have my phone, please? Please.
Please excuse me. Which phone? You want to be sending her money?
I need to introduce you to one mad recipe. Girl, how did I even forget? Have you heard of this cucumber and water recipe?
Madam, has Ben called you yet?
Why?
To tell you if he has sent the money to your mother or not.
Lily, can you not do this right now?
Eh.
Honestly, can you not? How about now?
Sorry.
Listen, my man loves me. Ben adores me. Okay, he does literally everything I want, so I beg he will send the money.
Okay.
Please, don't come with this your negativity. I beg.
Sorry. Okay, sorry.
So talking about the recipe, girl, just hold on. I saw you're going to like it. Okay. Oh my God! Stay put. I'm coming.
Ben does whatever you want. And yet you can't get him to wed you. Amanda.
Do you want me to give you your phone?
Of course.
Then it should be on one condition.
Do we do conditions now?
I don't understand, Ben. Okay, I can see you're not ready. Let me start going back.
I'm listening.
All right. Now, you have to go and convince that thing that you're now having financial crisis in your business. Tell her you took a loan from the bank and they are on your neck. Right now, you're not having any money. You're totally broke. Are you in or not?
Is that all?
Yes, that's all. Are you in or not?
Fine, I will do it. Can I have my phone now?
And make sure you don't transfer that money to that girl. Make sure you don't transfer the money to that girl because I won't take it lightly with you.
I've heard you. Come
Leave me
here.
alone.
Joanna. Michael, I've heard you. And I love you. I'll do anything for you.
Are you sure?
For you. Very sure. Come here.
Love you too.
There's more than enough time to have breakfast. This is just 8 a.m. for Christ's sake. Babe, how can you start your day without breakfast? Babe, please, even if it's just a little. Ben! Babe, you're passing the dining table.
Amanda, for God's sake, what is your problem? I've told you I am not hungry. Can you stop nagging for once?
What? I'm nagging?
You didn't sound so well on the phone. And now you're crying. What's wrong? What happened? Talk to me now, Amanda.
I don't know. I don't know, boys.
But what? You're crying. What's wrong? Talk to me, please.
It's Ben.
Okay.
Ben has changed. Ben has become something else. I don't know where I've gone wrong. I remember the money he promised my mother the other day.
Yes.
Up to now, he hasn't sent it.
Are you serious? What's his reason?
Ben would say anything at all as an excuse for his mischiefs. I don't know what's going on anymore. Ben has changed. Yeah, you need to see how this man talks to me now. I'm just tired.
Amanda. Stop crying, eh? It's okay. I think maybe you should just ask him what the matter is, eh? Maybe there's something and he's not telling you. Just ask him. There's probably something both of you should try and just sort it out, eh? Stop crying, eh? Stop crying.
I'm just tired.
Don't be tired.
He won't even talk to me. Where have I gone wrong? Where?
It's okay, don't cry, babes.
My baby.
Yeah, baby. So, babe, what's up with the plans?
The plan is going smoothly. I'm carrying it out very well. She's so frustrated.
That's good.
And I'm enjoying what I'm doing to her.
Yeah,
Trust me.
I like that.
I don't have feelings for her whatsoever anymore.
That's good, because she belongs to me.
Yeah, baby. Listen, I can't wait to let the world know that you are my woman.
Of course.
And I can also wait for that woman to leave my house ASAP. I'm so tired of her.
Good. You know what? Just keep up with the plan. I am a woman. I know how these things work. Okay?
Mm-hmm. All right. I got you. Wow, babe. It's past 10. I have to go now, okay?
I don't understand now. What is this? What is it? You keep doing this all the time just because you know you have someone that is at home waiting for you. Someone you're answerable to no matter how you see it. I don't like this.
No, baby, it's not like that.
Then what? Forget about the time and leave whenever you want to.
Is that why your face is like that?
Of course.
Stop, Joe. Stop. Okay, fine. You win. Seems tempting. Such a very tempting offer. But what's the best way to kill a temptation? You fall into the temptation. Come here.
You're late. And you're not taking your calls. That got me worried. Ben, when are you going to send the money you promised your mother-in-law?
Amanda, when was the last time you actually asked how things are going at my office?
I ask, but all you do these days is put up an attitude. So what do you expect me to do?
Listen to me. In case you don't know, there is a difference between acting nonchalantly and actually caring.
Ben, I check up on you.
Me. A good partner will actually read body language to know what's up with her partner.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Really? I check up on you and that's all the matter.
Amanda, my company is going through a major setback right now. I have a financial crisis. And this has affected my mood so bad. So please, I beg of you, I would like to be alone.
Babe, you didn't say anything. Babe, I'm sorry. I didn't know. Babe, I really...
Amanda, please. I'm not in the mood for this right now. I would like to be alone.
I'll be in the room. Ben's company is eating him up. The other day I asked him for the money he promised my mom, and he was so mad. Like he literally blew up. He was so mad. And that was when he said he was going through some financial crisis. Girl, I've never seen Ben so mad before. I was so scared. Could you believe the other day he was there. He sat there until 3:15 a.m.
This is serious.
Very serious. Very, very serious.
Amanda. Babes. I suggest you calmly find out what the problem is. So both of you can tackle this before it gets out of hand.
That's the problem.
I don't understand.
Ben wouldn't talk to me. I can't remember the last time we We spoke to each other as couple. Every time I try to get close to him, all I keep hearing is, I want to be left alone. I want to be left alone. Babe, we're literally living like strangers in this house. I'm tired. The whole thing is just eating me up.
I'm so sorry. I still think you should find a way. Communication is very important. Just try and talk to him.
Do I have a choice? I don't have a choice. I'll just keep trying.
You should. Sorry.
Honey, your food is set. Babe. Babe, what did I do? What did I do? Why are you treating me like this? If there's anything I've done, just say it and I promise I will apologize. I am just tired of this silent treatment. Please. If there's any challenge you're going through, babe, you know you can talk to me. We'll both find a solution as partners. Ben, please. Ben. Hello, Mama. Good morning. Sorry I'm calling this early. Mama, everything is not okay. It's your son, Ben. I don't know what I've done to Ben. For the past week now, he's been treating me differently. I don't know what I have done. I don't know. Okay, Mama, thank you. Hi, honey.
Don't you dare, honey. How dare you? So it has gotten to the point where you report me to my mother? Huh?
Babe, it's not what you think. I just needed someone to talk to. You don't talk to me anymore.
Oh, really? Really? You know, it's atrocious how bad my business is going already financially. And what do I have you do? You just keep nagging and nagging and nagging. And just as if nagging is not enough, what do? You report me to my village? Huh?
Baby, I think you're taking this too far. I don't mean no harm. It's your mother we're talking about. I just really want my sweet man back. I
know you. Yes, I know you very well.
What are you even talking about?
Such a pretentious fox.
What? Ben, you called me pretentious?
Looking through the window, waiting for the sun to rise. The night is so cold and scary. Let the light shine again and free me from the chains of pain. Let the light shine again and free me from the chains of pain. Looking through the window, waiting for the sun to rise. The night is so cold and scary. Let the light shine again and free me from the chains of pain. Let the light shine again and free me from the chains of pain. Oh, I wish the night will be gone for good. How I wish the day will come so fast. Oh, I wish the night will be gone for good. Let the rain wipe my tears, river wash my pain away. Oh, I wish the night will be gone for good. How I wish the day will come so fast. Oh, I wish the night will be gone for good. Let the rain wipe my tears, river wash my pain away.
Ben, what is wrong with you? Why would you lock me outside? What is wrong? What did I do to you? Why are you this wicked? Ben, why would you lock me outside? What did I do to you? I'm talking to you. You need to answer me because I am tired of all this bullshit.
Of course, I know you'll be tired of this relationship. Obviously.
What?
What is what? What is what? You've been acting so funny ever since I told you that my company is facing some challenges. Can you imagine going out or coming back so late yesterday night?
Oh, please. I went to the salon, you bloody liar, and then he came back at exactly at 9 p.m.
Oh, so I'm a liar now, eh?
You're a liar.
I see. You see what I'm talking about? You see what I'm talking about? You talk to me anyhow, you say things however you want to say, you insult me, you insult my family. Listen to me, Amanda. I am sick and tired of your nonsense.
You better don't get
I will not have this
because
anymore.
you're not going anywhere. You're not going anywhere until you tell me what I've done to you. You are not going anywhere. I don't even care if you're sick and tired of anything. You're not going anywhere.
Amanda.
Tell me why you are so wicked.
Amanda.
Why are you so wicked, Ben? Why?
Amanda.
Why?
Amanda, I am going to work.
I am going to work too. We both are going to work. You're not leaving this house until you tell me what
Amanda, I don't want to put my hands on you.
Pull your hands on me.
Excuse me.
Let the light shine again and free me from the chains of pain. Oh, I wish the night will be gone for good. How I wish the day will
come on, honey.
so fast.
Babe, I'm talking to you.
Clinton the man. My guy. What's good now, brother?
Let me help you with the
I'm great. I'm great, bro. I'm great. How's it going? How's the United States, bro? Oh. Wait. You're coming back to Nigeria very soon? What? Bro, that's great news, man. I can't believe this. Wow. I can't wait to see you, bro. When exactly are you coming back? Okay. You know what? Say less. I'll come pick you up at the airport on that very day. Say no more, bro. We have a lot of catching up to do, man. Clinton, my guy. Yeah, I got you. Yeah, man. All right, bro. Have a good one, my guy. All right, bro. Yeah.
Honey, let me help you with your bag.
I've been patient. I've been enduring and compressing a lot just to see if this phase would pass, but Ben keeps getting worse by the day. I don't know what else to do. I don't know if Ben wants me to kill myself. I am tired. I'm tired, Lily.
Maybe this is who he truly is. Yes. Maybe all this time he's been all nice and all gentlemanly. Just because of poverty. Besides, you were the one taking care of all the things financially for him, right?
Huh. That's the problem. That's my point exactly.
Mm-hmm.
Because, I mean, he's penniless right now. He's broke. And yet he has this bad attitude. I mean, how can one man be broke and proud at the same time? I don't know again, no. I am tired. Just tired of the whole drama. Honestly, at this point, I just keep...
Amanda, I think it's time for you to leave this relationship.
What?
Yes.
Yes. I know it will be difficult for you at first, but with time, you will move on. You will be fine. Like, if this is happening now while you're still in a relationship, I wonder what will happen when both of you will get married.
Lily, how can you even say that?
Forget all of these unnecessary excuses Ben is giving you. He is tired of you. And you should leave as soon as possible. This relationship is not healthy at all.
Lily, just stop, okay? Just really stop. How do you expect me to just stand up one day and leave my 10 years old relationship? Make it make sense. Girl, you know me. You know us. I've been with this guy for the longest.
And so?
I've been with this guy for a decade.
So what?
I can't.
What do you mean?
I know Ben
can't?
loves me. And I love him too. We live together. We're almost married.
It doesn't mean anything, Amanda. End this relationship now. 10 years in a relationship. Come on, you're smarter than this now. Besides, almost married is not married. Leave this man alone and move on.
Wow. You're welcome to my humble abode.
Bro, this is really nice.
Thank you, bro.
For real.
I really wish you could stay here, but you insist that you want to stay in the hotel.
Come on. You know I told you that the hotel is closer to my new investment.
Yeah, I get it.
Exactly, it's just for proximity sake. That's all.
Sit down, please.
And you know how Lagos traffic is now.
Lagos traffic, no be lie.
I am not ready to go through all that craziness every morning and night. It is not going to work.
Lagos traffic can be very crazy, though.
Wow. Wait, how you manage to put this kind of place together? No, laugh again. Because I remember you told me you were not doing so well now. And the other place, compared to this place, what did you do? What happened?
Guy, relax. Okay, what actually happened was that last year I was opportune to land a very, very good contract. And trust me now, I don't play. I made very good use of it.
My man. No, I trust you actually. I do. I'm happy for you. I mean, this is good.
Thanks, bro.
It's really good.
Thanks, bro. Thanks. You see the look.
How do you look now, brother? I mean, look at this house.
Well, you won't pass this one now.
Calm down.
This one's small. It's small compared to what you have now.
Calm down. No whine me. Just relax. We're talking about you right now. So and plus, this one you're doing well. You know, you can actually support my business.
Sure, bro. I got you.
My man.
Things are really, bro. Things are bad. Everything is just crazy for me right now. Business is not going well. Like, bro, things are difficult. Not so rosy anymore. I can't even believe how I cope. Bro, things are just terrible.
Bro, calm down.
I'm telling you.
Relax now. Calm down. Okay, we'll talk about your business, okay? Who be that girl? Is she your woman, right? The one you told me about. Is she the one?
Yes, she's the one.
The way she passed, I mean, she's not very good at conversations and...
You see that one? That woman? She's very far from anything good. She's such a pretender. She's worse than a snake, I'm telling you, bro.
Wait, so what are you still doing with her?
I don't know.
Because if I remember correctly, you told me she's the one you said you wanted to get engaged to now, right?
I did?
Yes, now you told me.
I did, though.
Uh-huh.
I didn't know when I did that.
Where did you meet her?
We met in school, after your bro took you abroad to study. I eventually got admitted into the public university. So I met her in my 100 level. Then she was all sweet, very romantic and sweet girl. But this girl just transformed. She changed to something else. That's why I tell you she's a very big pretender. You can never trust women. Women, if you see the way she changed, I don't even know how I live in this house with her.
Bro,
I'm tired of her.
See, that is women for you. Let me even tell you about my own personal experience with these same women. I met this lovely lady right? We fell in love. We got married. I loved her so much. I gave her 7 good years of my life. Do you know what this girl did to me?
What?
She left me and she got married to another man. After 7 good years.
What?
I swear, man. I almost died.
What?
I'm serious. So you see this other gender? I am completely done with them.
Women.
Totally done.
Women.
Huh.
Women. You see this one that just passed now? She's worse than anything you can ever think of. I'm telling you, she's terrible. Okay, just imagine. Just see her. She knew I was expecting a guest. What did she do? She didn't even bother to prepare something for my guest. She just walked past. She's just so disrespectful. Like, who does that? Can you imagine that? Can you just imagine that? How do I even live? I don't even know how I live with this woman. I don't know how I do it. I despise her right now. In fact, wait.
Women. What are you doing?
My friend, will you come inside and prepare something for my guest? You knew I was expecting a guest and you just left like that. You didn't even bother to prepare anything. My friend, come inside and prepare something for my guest. Nonsense.
Oh, calm down, okay.
I'm just tired of this woman. I despise her. Honestly, I want her out of this house. I don't even know how we live. I like her. Women.
Huh.
My brother, women.
Relax, man.
Women.
Calm down.
Women.
Babe, so how are things now?
My dear, same old story. Nothing has changed at all. The worst part is I can't even reach out to anyone. I can't talk to anybody. I can't discuss this with anybody. The last time I reached out to his mom, you don't want to know. Ben screamed down this house. You need to see Ben. I was so scared for my life.
This is serious.
Very, very serious. Very serious. I'm just tired. Tired of the whole thing.
Sorry.
Just here, praying and hoping that my sweet old Ben would come back to me. But something good happened.
Yeah? What happened? Talk to me.
So, Ben's friend that came back from abroad, Clinton, he came by the house and Ben introduced me as his woman.
Is that why you're this happy? At this stage, Amanda, after 10 years, please come off it.
Lily.
What do you mean? Hi.
I don't know what to do anymore.
Anyways, I've given you an advice. And if I were in your shoes, I would take it. Please, let's start going to the salon, Joe.
We're still going to the salon today.
Of course.
All the time.
I don't understand.
Babes, it's late. I don't think I can make it though.
Amanda, it's just 5 p.m. What are you saying?
Exactly, it's late. When we get to the salon, we have to do things, right? And by the time we come back to the house, I don't think I can go. Just go.
Is any other thing happening? Because you seem scared. What's happening?
Me?
Yes.
How? No. How? I'm not. Really, everything is fine.
Oh.
It's just, Ben's friend is coming to the house. So I'll have to make something for them to eat.
Amanda, you told me you made fresh food and it's untouched.
Oh.
Please get up, let's go. We've been procrastinating for too long. See, your nails even need changing. Let's go, please.
Babes, I beg, I don't feel like it. See, the nails are not that bad now. I can still manage. I'm feeling tired. I think I need to rest, Next time now, babe, I beg. I don't feel like it, honestly. I feel very tired. No, they look me like that.
Bro, that was good. I have really missed home cooked meals.
I told you I was going to take you to the best restaurant, didn't you?
Yeah. Thank you for that, my brother. But this your girl, what happened? How come she took so long to prepare noodles? Just noodles.
That one. Guy, I've told you countless times, that woman is useless. Absolutely useless. Okay, just imagine. Cooking just noodles. It took that long. Then if you not tell her to boil egg, how long will it take? She will take 3 days. Full 78 hours. I'm telling you. Very useless human being. I wish that was the only problem I had with her. This girl nags a lot. She's rude to me. She insults me and my family. Like she says things so carelessly. All because of what? Because she helped me while I was in school, and she now feels like she says I won't amount to anything in life. Like she talks to me anyhow. I'm telling you.
Ben, no. Send her out. She needs to leave your house. She insulting you, insulting your family. I'm telling you. No, now she has to leave now. Ben, she has to leave your house immediately. No, now we don't take that. Insult you and your family. That's unacceptable. She has to leave.
I wish it was that easy. I actually want her to leave, but you know now, what will people say? They will say after all she has done for you, you broke her heart.
Stop that nonsense. No. That's totally wrong. You don't listen to what people will say. Send that woman out of your house. I told you my own personal experience. Do you want to experience the same thing? With a Nigerian woman? Bro, see, she has to leave your house. Send her out. Send her out.
She will leave.
She has to leave now. We don't take this nonsense now.
I have a plan.
Bring it on. I am listening. Whatever your plan is, I am ready to support you till the very end. Bring it on. Say it.
It has to do with you, but
that is even better. That is even, see, you are my guy, and I'm your man. Whatever you want from me, I will do for you. That woman, she must leave your house. Say it, bro. Say it. My body hot. Say it. What is nonsense?
That girl broke me. She shattered my heart.
Ben, see.
She shattered my heart.
Ben, I will help you unshatter the heart. Trust me, I will unshatter it for you. Tell me what you have in mind. I'm listening to you. Tell me the plan. Let's hear it.
Okay. It's fine.
Oh.
Hi.
Mr. Clinton.
Yes.
Oh. Ben is not around. Did you call him?
Of course I did. I told him I was coming.
He's not around. I'm sorry.
What is wrong with this guy? Okay, I'll just wait for him. I'll wait for him.
Oh,
okay. You know what? I will just send him a text and tell him that I'm here. Is that fine? All right.
All right. Just.
Okay. All right. Thank you. Okay. Okay. All right.
Can I offer you something?
Oh, okay. White wine. White wine is fine.
Okay. White wine.
Yes.
I'm sorry, we ran out of that last week.
Oh. Then whiskey. Whiskey should do.
That one too. My bad. I haven't gone to the market in a long time.
Sorry. You know what? Just get me water.
Are you sure about that?
Yeah, sure. Definitely. Water is fine.
Oh, okay.
All right.
I'll be with you shortly.
Thank you. No white wine, no whiskey. Ben I must be really going through a lot.
So,
Yeah.
there we go.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
All right. Sorry, please. Won't you join me? Please, come and join me. Oh, come on, I don't bite, all right? Just come join me, please. Oh yeah, please, you can actually sit here. Okay. Now just a little. Okay. What's your favorite channel? What channel should we watch?
I'm coming. Mame. What's good now, bro?
All right, my man.
How's it going?
Oh, good.
So what's up? What's up with the plan? How's it going? Talk now, no time.
Bro, relax now. It was easy to get her to be my friend.
Yeah?
Okay. She's actually very easy to talk to.
Bro, be very careful. Be careful with that one. Remember what I told you. She's a very big pretender and a very strong manipulator. Don't go and fall for it, too.
I'm alright. I got this, okay?
Cool.
I know why I'm there.
Cool.
No sentiments. Alright?
Cool.
Just do what you have to do. Leave the rest to me. I'll handle it.
Good. Good. And one more thing. Remember, I need evidence. Very important. Because that's what I'm going to send to our both parents. And also everyone that knows that we're both in a relationship.
Okay.
So they will know that she cheated. And I'll have peace of mind.
I got you. Don't worry.
I got you.
I'll get you evidence.
My man.
No, you don't mean
How's
that.
business, by the way?
Man, fine actually. I'm almost done setting up the complex.
Yeah?
Yeah, so very soon we'll kickstart.
Alright, cool. Let me get you a drink, huh?
My man.
Clinton.
Oh.
Come in.
So amazing.
Why do you always call when my boyfriend is not around? Please just call him.
Please. Forget about him. I didn't come here for him. I came here for you. See, what you did the other day was perfect. Do you know the financial advice you gave to me worked perfectly? Like, my office, they bought everything. The minute I told them about it, everybody was mesmerized. For real. All because of you. Oh
That's good to hear. Please, can you just go and call him on the phone, please?
Please. I need more of that, okay? Please, just, can we just sit? Okay, 5 minutes. Let me pick your brains a little, please. 5 minutes now. Just help me, all right? Just advice, all right? Please, just.
God.
You're super smart, okay? I love every single idea you give to me. Not only me though, they all loved it.
That's really wonderful.
Exactly.
Don't you think maybe you should go when Ben is around, you come? I'll still give you the same advice. I mean,
I understand that, but I don't know. I just want to have like a one-on-one conversation with you, and we can. Yeah, that's all. Just all right. Just relax.
But do you think your friend will be? I really think you should come with him. I mean,
but he's fine, right? He's okay with this. It's just friendly conversations. That's all. Oh yeah. So about what you told me the other day, the exact way you said it, that was how I did it, and it worked. Now I feel like you can actually give me more advice that would help me get the deal. I want to close the deal. You understand? This, I mean, your advice already helped set the pace. But I feel you can, let's talk. You can actually give me more advice that will help me close the deal. I want to close this deal.
Do you know right now my brain is blank? I can't even think straight.
No. Please. Just, you can do this, all right? You're smart. You're a smart lady, all right? And I love you for that, for real. And come on, just.
Hi, Clinton.
Yeah, hello dear. Good to hear your soothing voice.
How are you?
I'm fine. What are you doing now?
I'm cooking for my man.
You cook?
Of course I do.
Well, I was just lying down thinking of our pleasant conversations, and I was kind of thinking of you too.
I'm cooking for my man.
Okay.
I have to go now.
Talk to you later, my angel.
Babe. Babe. I think your friend is hitting on me. Babe, I just said your friend Clinton is hitting on me.
What are you talking about? Like, are you joking or something?
Babe, I'm telling you that your friend is hitting on me and you think I'm joking. Babe, I'm a woman. I know when a man is hitting on me. And I put it to you that he's clearly hitting on me.
And I put it to you that my friend Clayton is not hitting on you. No. Clayton, hitting on you. What's so special about you that Clayton should be hitting on, for God's sake? I know what you're trying to do. I know. You're trying to separate my friend and I, aren't you? But your plans will not work. Listen, my friend is hitting on you. Better go back to that kitchen and prepare my meal. And when that meal is ready, you bring it to my bedroom. Clayton is hitting on you. I don't know why Clayton is hitting. What do you
Babe, did you even hear what I
that Clayton will
said?
hit on you? Cook my food and bring it to my bedroom.
Babe, I'm serious. Your friend is hitting on me.
It must be very funny. You wish he was hitting on you. Baby.
Yeah,
So
baby.
guess what, baby?
What?
Just guess.
Oh, you know I'm not good at guess what now.
You sure?
Yes.
All right. So check this out.
Okay. I see.
I brought in Clinton. My friend from secondary school. This guy is tall, he's handsome, he's perfect. Women look at him and go crazy about him. He's just the perfect guy for any woman. Trust me. Back then in school, we call him Chaka of all babes. So this is what I told him to do. I told him to seduce Amanda and sleep with her. Then after doing that, he should have an evidence. Send me the evidence so I can forward it to my family and her family. Then she'll have no other choice than to leave the relationship, just like that.
Oh my God. This is so good.
I told you.
You know what? Just take me to ionosphere.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
That's what I'm talking about.
Ben said you told him I'm hitting on you. Come on now, that's not true and you know that. The only reason I come here again and again is because of your intelligence, conversations and company. I mean, trotting this fact into me hitting on you. Come on now, that's really annoying. And it made me feel really, really bad. Isn't it wrong to keep a female friend?
No, we know it's not.
I mean, I told you how your advice helped me in my company. how I sealed that deal because of you. I only come here for good advice, and I thought we had an understanding. And you went and started telling your fiance, your. See, I'm not happy. I'm really not happy.
I'm sorry. I'm
He
sorry.
he called me, my own very good friend, accusing me of hitting on this girl. See, I'm not happy. I'm not happy at all. Huh? In fact, I'm leaving. I'm leaving.
Please, Clinton, just.
Why are you begging me? You already did. You told him already now.
I'm sorry.
If you saw the way he called me, I was accusing me. Me? What did I do? Did I do anything bad? I only just needed a friend, and you were there. And now I've turned into the bad person.
No. I'm sorry.
I'm not happy. It pissed me really. It pissed me off. I'm not happy at all.
I'm sorry.
It's fine. It's fine.
Please, can you sit down? Ben will soon be home. Let me offer you something.
No problem, man. I'll sit. Please don't do that again, oh. Please don't go and start telling him stuff that are not actually true.
I'm sorry. You don't mind whiskey, right?
No, I don't mind. Oh. Bad guy. Okay.
Clinton. Okay, you home? Thank you so much for understanding. Yeah. Bye. Babe. Baby. I was thinking since the Christmas is by the corner, we could do small thing in regards to our wedding. Or maybe a court marriage and then a small wedding with our families.
You are mad. You are very, very stupid. You must be insane. What? Idiot. You're thinking you're down on the same. Look at your dirty mouth. Eh? It's because you don't bring 1 naira in this house, that's why. I'm telling you that my company is in a bad place. You're here talking about wedding. Since I told you about my company, have you brought up an idea or a suggestion, a strategy that will help me, get back to where I used to be?
Ben, you won't even talk to
me. Why will I talk to this empty brain of yours? What do you have to offer? Eh? Why will I talk to you? I'm here telling you that my company is in a very bad position here. You're there talking about wedding. What? Idiot. Everybody get out of this place. Nonsense. You don't do anything for me. Just useless. All you bring is problem. You can't even bring one solution. Very useless idiot, fool, rubbish. Just wasting my time. I don't even know what I'm doing with you in this house. I don't know. Honestly.
Do you want?
I'll use this thing to scatter your head now. talk about wedding. You and who they do wedding? I even do say. So, she fit come back home. Guy, how far now? How far? Clinton, what are you lacking? Like, what are you lacking? You have everything. Fine boy, tall. See you now. Guy, why they do me like this now? I remember back in school days, all these ladies, they'll just go crazy at the sound of your name. What's happening?
Bro.
You? Chaikas of all babes.
Ben.
Guy, it's not about Ben. I need you to run this thing for me. What's happening now? Why are you delaying?
Ben, calm down.
No, it's not about calming down.
Relax now.
I need this girl out of my life, man. I need to announce to the whole world that we are no longer together. I need to break free. Come on, bro, do this for me now. I believe you.
Ben,
not be you again.
Calm down now. Bro, relax. See, you know I have to do it in such a way that she will not suspect anything. So I'm just taking my time, all right? I will get the job done, I promise you. Just calm down.
Bro, I get you. Bob, come on, man, please. Push faster. I need you to move faster. Increase your pace, just a little. You get what I'm saying? Just increase your pace. Trust me, she won't suspect anything. That girl, she's dumb. Very dumb. I'm telling you, bro.
Well, on the contrary, I actually feel she's very smart.
What's this guy saying?
And her food. She's an amazing cook, I must say.
Guy, forget that one. You see this one you just said now? Forget it. You see all those things she's doing? It's because she saw you. She's just trying to impress you because you're my friend. Trust me. That girl, don't go and fall for that girl. She's a very strong manipulator. I'm telling you the gospel truth. For real. So, you need to move courageously and no sentiments. You get what I'm saying? Remember, you're a man on a mission. Don't go and start doing, she's a nice girl. Remember what your ex did to you. Don't forget what you told me about your ex. Amanda is no different from your ex. So, move at it. Move. Don't look back. Please, man.
All right.
Do this thing for me now.
I'll get it done.
Guy, do this thing for me
Bro,
now.
relax. Ben, your blood.
Make I beg you.
I said relax. I will get it done. All right? I'm on it.
Is it not Clinton again? Please, bro. I need this.
I'm on it, bro.
I need this.
Calm down now. Your blood to the hot.
I need this.
I will handle it. Relax.
Hi.
How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
Wait. Have you been crying?
No, Sorry, I had something in my eyes. I'm okay.
Amanda.
Have a seat. I'm fine. I told you.
Amanda, you're crying. What's going on?
Oh, I'm not.
Come on now. Talk to me, okay? Amanda, these tears are killing me. Talk to me. What's going on? What's the problem? Why are you crying? Please, talk to me now.
I can't say. He'll kill me.
He? Who? Just relax, okay? You can trust me, all right? Talk to me. I'll protect you. Nothing will happen to you, all right? Amanda, please now. Come on. Please. Tell me, what's going on? Who will kill you? Amanda.
Ben. I don't know what I've done to your friend.
Huh.
I don't know what I did to Ben. Ben just changed. For the past months, he's been treating me with so much disrespect. He can't even talk to me like a human being. He just... I'm tired.
Just relax, okay? Amanda, please stop crying, all right? Everything will be fine, please. Okay?
He said it's because his company is going through financial crisis. But we've been happy. We've been really happy before the money came. So what changed?
Don't worry, okay?
What changed?
Don't listen to me. Everything will be fine.
Oh.
Madam, they won't talking to you now.
When?
Just
When?
relax.
Because I'm tired.
Okay, I understand. I will talk to him. Everything will be fine. I need you to stop crying, all right? Please, just stop crying, okay? Sorry.
Please don't tell him I said anything, please. He'll kill me, please.
It's fine. I got you, okay? I won't tell him. Just stop crying, all right? Sorry.
Oh boy, see as my team take flog your team yesterday.
This guy. Say, we both know you cheated. All right? You cheated now. Which one is what?
What are you talking about? Who cheated?
Oh yeah, calm down now. We are playing. We're about to play again. All right? You will learn today.
I will learn.
10-0. No, I'm serious. 10-0. That's what I'll give to you. Just play.
Now you don't play yourself.
Bro, play now.
Play
Stop making noise.
What's your name again? What's your name? Clinton. Let's see. Clinton. That's about 7. Clinton. Yeah, 7-0. 7-0.
Oh,
that's what you're getting right now.
We'll see how this ends. I love a good challenge actually.
I
So
love
let's go.
I love your courage. I love your courage. I like that. All right, let's do this. Look at you. You're already messing up.
Calm down now. You have pride. You have serious pride.
I will deal with you today. I will show you. Wait. You're just playing. Chill, bro.
Take your call.
Relax. Excuse me. Yeah, Dayo, what's good? Yeah. So have you sent in the proposal to the company as I instructed? All right, good. What payments are you talking about? Yeah. I'm listening. Okay. Oh, that. Yes, payment has been made. The 25 million. Yeah, that's been made. Yes. Yes, I'm also expecting some payments from the other company as well. They said they'll make payments today. So let's send in the proposal today. I'm very sure they'll buy into it. Yes. All right. Yeah, bye.
Why is he doing this to Amanda? She doesn't deserve this at all.
Sorry, bro. I had to pick that call.
Oh, no, it's
so
fine.
Sorry about that.
It's all right. It's fine.
Yeah, work stuff,
No problem. I hope business is fine.
Well, my brother, it's not that good though. Right now, business is quite depressing. I've not even been able to record up to 200,000 for the past 6 months. It's crazy. That's what I'm facing right now. Well, it's well. We'll try. I believe so.
Sorry. Everything will be fine, okay?
Yeah, man. Yeah, thanks, bro. So, let's get on with this. Let's get it. Relax, bro. Come on, relax. Why are you acting like it's your company?
No, it's fine.
Chill out,
Let's
man.
play.
Let's go. Don't play yourself. Go! I told you don't play.
Were you the one that scored?
They play. What's that name again? Clinton. 7, right? I just gave you 1 notch, remaining 6 to go. Huh? Let's go.
Jesus, so Ben, you're in there. So you're in there. Ben, come and open this door. Come and open this door. Why are you so wicked? Why? Ben, what did I ever do to you? Can you come and open this door? Do you want me to sleep outside? Ben, I'm not talking to you. Ben!
Looking through the window, waiting for the sun to rise. The night is so cold and scary. Let the light shine again and free me from the chains of pain. Let the light shine again and free me from the chains of pain. Looking through the window, waiting for the sun to rise. The night is so cold and scary. Let the light shine again.
Just come in and have a seat, okay?
From the
Sorry,
chains, from the chains.
Why is Ben doing this to me?
Sorry.
Why?
Let the light shine again.
Why is he always locking me out? He does this every time. At will. Am I a baby? What did I ever do to Ben? What?
Where is he now?
Tired.
You know what? Forget about that. Amanda, please.
I'm tired.
Please stop crying, okay?
I'm tired.
Please relax. Stop crying. Sorry now. You know what will happen? I'll get you a room here tonight for you to at least sleep. Then tomorrow we can figure out something, alright? Just stop crying now.
I just can't wrap my head around it. Why is it so wicked towards me?
Amanda, you know you have me. I'm here for you anytime, any day. Alright? Please, stop crying, okay?
Thank you.
I don't like seeing you cry.
Thank you.
You know what? So, I'll just go get you a room. So just sit tight. I will just go make arrangement for your room, okay? Sorry, yeah?
Night is so cold and scary. Let the light shine again and free me from the chains of pain. Let the light shine again and free me from the chains of pain. Looking through the window, waiting for the sun to rise. The night is so cold and scary. Let the light shine again and free me from the chains of pain. Let the light shine again and free me.
Yeah. Amanda, good morning. So sorry I woke up late.
Yeah, that's fine. I didn't want to wake you before leaving.
Right. Leave to where?
I didn't tell you. He let me in this morning. Thank you so much, Clinton, for lending me a shoulder.
No. Amanda, you can't be serious.
I have to go now. Good morning.
Let the light shine again and free me from the chains of pain. Looking through the window, waiting for the sun to rise. The night is so cold and scary. Let the light shine again and free
What's going on?
me from the chains
Why am I this concerned about her? Why do I suddenly have this yearning to protect her? No. This can't be now. What's going on?
Will be gone for good. Let the rain wipe my tears, river wash my pain away. Oh, I wish
Clinton.
the night will be gone for good.
Wow. Such a nice guy. Oh no, Amanda. Cut that thinking.
I wish the night will be gone for good.
Hello, Clinton.
Yeah, how are you there?
Fine. How are you?
I'm here.
You haven't been coming around to see me of recent. I missed you. I missed you coming around to see me.
Well, I've just been a bit busy lately, that's all. Amanda, I just want to know you're good, okay? Please tell me the truth. What's up?
I haven't gotten any drama from your friend yet.
So are you going to wait around until there's drama?
Clinton, this whole thing is more complicated than you know.
All right. No problem. Good night. Just sleep tight, okay?
Good night.
Amanda,
Yes?
I care.
Thank you for caring.
You're welcome. Good night.
Good night.
Hello, Clinton. Brother, what's good now? Where have you been? I've not even heard from you in a while now. You hardly come around. Besides, what's up with our plan? You've not still executed it up till now. Come on, bro. This is not the Clinton I've known over the years.
I've been busy with work. Reason I hardly come around these days.
Yeah. I understand you're busy with work and all that. But bro, come on. I need to break free from this prison I call a relationship. I'm tired of this woman. Come on, bro. Help your brother out, man.
You are tired of an unproblematic woman, you say? Ben, my friend, she is not problematic. Stupidity and excess authority has just beclouded you. That's all I can say.
Hey, Clinton. How are you?
Amanda, how are you?
I'm good. How are you? I mean, I haven't been seeing you around lately. Is everything okay?
Yeah, sorry I've been busy lately. Amanda, honestly, I miss our conversations. You know, I feel we should do something different this time. Like meet somewhere else. Maybe a good restaurant.
Sure. Since my man doesn't mind the friendship at all.
Yeah, I know. Okay, I would allow you pick a perfect spot where we can have good quality time. Undisturbed.
Alright. See you. I had so much fun today. The food was amazing. The conversations. I really enjoyed myself. It felt like therapy. I needed it.
I also had fun. I enjoyed it too.
I did. Sorry, it's sick.
Okay.
Why is this girl not picking? No, not at all. I'm trying to call my girlfriend.
Oh.
I was supposed to go to her place because I didn't want to go back to that boring house. And she's not picking.
Okay, how about we go back to my hotel room together?
No. I'll just keep trying her number.
Still not connecting?
Still not connecting.
Amanda, please. I would also be lonely if I go back there alone, so please. I promise to drop you off once you are able to reach your friend. Please. Please.
Okay.
All right. Thank you once again for the outing today.
You're welcome. It's my pleasure. I had mad fun, I must say.
You know, I'm really happy to see you smile again. And you look really, really beautiful when you smile and laugh. Amanda, you deserve all the happiness in the world. You are a good woman.
I'm sorry.
I'm sorry.
I have to go, please.
That's why I told them to stop doing that because I didn't like it. And you know all of this thing. Amanda. Babes. Amanda!
Have I been talking to you or myself all along?
I'm so sorry.
I flashed out in a
Oh.
bit. Ah. What is it? What is this mischievous smile? What is it? Babe, stop now.
Okay. Oh. Clinton and I kissed.
Huh?
Oh.
And I liked it. When? How?
Stop.
Where? Oh my god. For real? Oh. Really?
Oh my goodness, this woman, you drive me nuts! You're nothing but a lazy human being and useless, you're stupid, you're just everything bad. Huh? I buy food items in this house, but for you to prepare them is a problem. What are you good at? No, tell me, what exactly are you good at? Absolutely nothing. All you know how to do is nag and make people feel like you're the victim, when you are exactly not.
Ben, that's enough. I will not have you talk to me like that. I've had it up to here. Ben, you will not stand here and talk to me like I'm a nobody. Oh. What is your problem? Now, what have I ever done to you? Every single day I toil in this kitchen, making food for you. How do you pay me? You leave my food untouched. And just today I decided to lounge? You're here telling me what? Ben, what happened to the place you've been eating all along?
This Are you mad? The audacity to raise your voice at me. How dare you? I'm done with you. You're leaving my house this minute. Do you understand me?
I am done. Born in hell.
The night is so cold and scary. Let the light shine again and free me from the chains of pain. Let the light shine again and free me from the chains of pain.
So Ben had the guts to lay his hands on you.
No,
this is the height of it. This is definitely the height of it. What has come over him?
The day will come so fast. Oh, I wish the night will be gone for good. Let the rain wipe my tears, river wash my pain.
Please stop crying, okay?
Away. Oh, I wish the night will be gone for good.
Stop crying, please. Don't worry, you're here with me now, okay? I'll take good care of you. Don't worry. Just stop crying. Alright? Sorry. Ben. Sorry. Sorry.
Babe?
Babe. Ben is the one calling me. I'm guessing it's the one at the door. What do we do?
Babe, just get the door.
Come on now, babe. Let's not. I don't think it would be right for him to find out this way now.
I'm done with him. I told you, I am done.
I understand.
We have nothing to hide.
I know, babe, but still, it is not right for him to find out this way.
I just said I am done.
Babe. Babe. Where are you going to?
To open the door.
Babe. Babe. Babe.
Well. Look at this. Look at what we have here. Well, I'll be damned. So you've been cheating on me all along? With every Tom, Dick, and Harry? Even with my own best friend? Huh?
Clinton and I love each other. And we have moved on.
Oh, really? Mm-hmm. Well, good. Now listen to me and listen very good. I don't want to ever see you anywhere close to me or my home. I'll send a message to your family and mine and tell them exactly why the wedding is going to be called off.
While at it, tell them the truth. Ball up and tell them that we fell out of love. Tell them we fell out of love. That's if you ever loved me.
Fine! Good radiance, bad rubbish.
Good radiance to bad rubbish.
I see. Okay?
Wait. Guys, wait, please.
Let him go.
I have a confession to make.
No, Clinton, you have no confession to make. You better don't say anything. You have no confession to make. I'm out of here.
This was all a plan. It was all a plan.
What?
What the hell are you talking about, bro? Clinton, you better shut up. Shut up. Clinton, shut up. Whatever this is, I'm out. I'm out of here.
Start talking. What was that all about? What was he saying? Start talking now!
Babe. Hey, please. The plan was to get you to fall for me so that Ben will comfortably live as a victim.
What?
all this was a game to you?
No, not at all, baby.
You never loved me?
No, baby, please. I love you, all right? That is the reason I'm confessing right now. Babe, babe, listen to me.
Don't fucking touch me!
Baby, please, I need you to listen to me. Please, I'm begging you. Baby, please.
Oh.
I love you.
Oh.
Baby, please.
Looking through the window, waiting for the sun to rise.
Amanda, please.
Don't you ever!
Please. Let me explain, please.
Come anywhere close to me.
Please don't do this to me.
You all are the same scum!
Please.
Scum!
I am done. I am done with men.
Looking through the window,
Okay, calm down.
for the sun to
Kitty lied to me.
The night is so cold.
He played me.
Let the light shine again. Free me from the chains, from the chains of pain.
Fine, you'll be fine.
Let the light
This is
shine
just a little
again.
challenge.
Free me
With time you
from
smile
the
again, you
chains
move on.
of pain.
Why me? Am I such a bad person?
Of
course not. No, don't say that. Don't say that.
Don't
I deserve to be loved? Am I a
do.
bad person?
I wish the day
And
will
thank goodness
come
you
so
left
fast.
that man that tied you down for years.
I wish the night
You'll be
will
fine.
be gone for good.
I'm here for you.
Let the rain wipe my tears, please, wash my pain away.
Okay.
Oh, I wish the night will be gone for good. How I wish the day will come so fast.
Okay, come on. You make me cry.
I wish the night will be
Come
gone
on,
for
Amanda.
good.
Stop it.
Let the rain wipe my tears, river wash my pain away.
10 years relationship, no marital discussion. God forbid. Ah.
Please leave my house. Amanda doesn't want anything to do with either of you, especially you. Just go.
Lily, Lily, please. I am genuinely in love with her, all right? Please. That was why I confessed. Please. See, as I speak to you now, I don't speak with Ben anymore. Yes, I understand it started off as a plan, but that was because I was lied to. Lily, please, I love Amanda. She means the world to me. Please allow me to see her. Let me at least explain myself to her, please.
No. I'm sorry. Just go. Go already.
Lily, okay.
Clinton, leave my house.
Lily, just 10 minutes. Please.
Go! Leave!
Lily, please. Lily.
No, don't tell me that. Don't tell me that. This wasn't what we spoke about earlier. No, you listen to me. Listen and pay good attention to me. I need this money this month. For God's sake, I'm starting a family and I'm planning a wedding. I want the best for my family. What do you expect? By the way, this investment isn't supposed to take this long to yield the ROI. What's keeping it so long? Come on, man. I made my research and studied other people's own before I made my commitment to this. What are you telling me? Huh?
Just maybe, some of us are not meant to find love. Amanda, I will always love you.
Mr. Valentine, please. I am begging you. You have to see reasons with me here, please. Listen, it's my life on the line. It's my company. It's everything I've ever worked for. I worked so hard for this. I can't just lose everything. Mr. Valentine, please. Please, sir, you have to link me up again. Or else I'm finished. I'm at the verge of losing everything here. Please, sir. Please, there has to be a way. Hey, my God. My goodness, my God. Mr. Valentine, wait, just hold on. There's something we can definitely do something about this, please. It doesn't have to go this way. Hello? My goodness. Oh my goodness. I've lost everything. I've lost everything. How was I so stupid to make such a bad investment? Oh my goodness. What have I done? What have I done? What have I done?
Benjamin, just hold it there. Hold it there. I don't understand. What are you trying to say? Wait, what are you trying to say? This is scope or what? I don't get it. Are you trying to say I'm not going to go on my vacation this month? Is that what you're saying? What about our plans? What about wedding plans? What about everything? What about everything? I'm not getting it. I am not getting it, Ben.
Baby. Baby. Please listen to me.
Listen to you? And what exactly, Ben?
Baby, listen.
What exactly? Why am I listening to you, Ben?
Baby, just calm down, okay? Baby, you know I will do anything for you. Absolutely anything. But at this point, we have to wait.
Hey.
Things are going so bad for me right now. Like, my company is wrecked right now. Baby, everything is... I don't even know how I got to this position, but we just have to be patient.
We have to be patient.
Yes, baby.
Benjamin, I'm not getting patient. Like right now, I am pissed. Really? Thief they thief. Benjamin, can I ask you?
Baby, what
Thief they thief.
Baby, what is thief the thief?
Oh, really?
Who is thieving who here?
This was the same scope I sent you to use under your so-called girlfriend. And now you're bringing it back to me. You're bringing it back to me, Ben.
Baby,
this is a scope, right?
Calm down.
You want to scope me?
Baby, can you just...
I can see that.
Baby, yes, that one was a scope. That one was a scope, quite alright. But this one is real. I'm having some financial crisis right now.
I don't want to know, Ben. I don't want to know. You will go and take a loan. Yes, and when you're taking the loan, take enough loan that is going to be okay for me. So that my plans, all the plans we have, my vacation plans and everything, okay? I don't care.
Baby, okay, fine. I've heard you. But please, just try and be compassionate here. Try and be compassionate.
I am losing it.
It's not easy for me.
I am losing it,
I'm
Ben.
losing it too.
I am losing it.
I'm losing it
no,
too.
No, you don't tell me that. You don't tell me that,
Okay,
Ben.
please.
You have to do something about it.
I will
because
try.
I'm not getting it at all. I'm not getting it.
Baby, I'll try.
No, you have to do something, Ben. Don't tell me that.
I will try.
Don't.
I'll try, please. Okay, just be...
Don't touch me. Don't.
Okay.
Thank you so much for coming back to me.
I've missed you too.
Thank you for believing in our love. Believing in me. Baby, I promise I will make you happy. I will dedicate the rest of my life to making sure you are happy every single day. I will never allow anyone come close to you or hurt you. I love you, Amanda.
I love you even more. And I believe you.
Babe? Babe? Raquel? Babe? Baby? Raquel? Babe! Raquel! She had the guts to leave this house? You had the guts to pack your things and leave this house? Raquel! Raquel! Me? After everything I've done for you? Raquel!
Careful.
Where are you taking me to?
Okay, just come like this.
Baby, what's going on? What's going
Baby,
on?
relax, okay?
Okay. Alright.
Alright.
Okay. Babe. Babe? Baby, where did you go to? Should I remove the blindfold? Babe. Okay, I am taking it off. Taking it off. Oh my God.
Amanda Peters, I had given up on love before I met you in the most unconventional way. And you captured my heart like no other. My love, I love you deeply. And it will make me the happiest man alive if only you agree to do life with me.
Clinton, you know I love you. I love you so much.
Baby, my love, please. Baby, please don't say no. Alright? Please.
You know I want more than anything to be your wife. More than anything in the world to be with you. Her rings give me PTSD now.
Baby, when a man finds a wife, he knows. Okay, you know what? Baby, I pledge to make sure you never remain the lady of the rings again. And I will make sure I meet your parents this week. If only you say yes to my proposal. Please. Okay. Please. Marry me.
Yes. This is beautiful.
Thank you, baby. Thank you so much.
Looking through the window, waiting for the sun to rise. The night is so
I love you, baby.
I love you even more.
let the light shine again and free me from the chains of pain. Let the light shine again and free me from the chains of pain. Looking through the window, waiting for the sun to rise. The night is so cold and scary. Let the light shine again and free me from the chains from the chains of pain. Let the light shine again and free me from the chains of pain. Oh, I wish the night will be gone for good. How I wish the day will come so fast. Oh, I wish the night will be gone for good. Let the rain wipe my tears, river wash my pain away. Oh, I wish the night will be gone for good. How I wish the day will come so fast. Oh, I wish the night will be gone for good. Let the rain wipe my tears, river wash my pain away.